wish I could take a picture of you guys. Ringers off on the set. It's October, and you know what that means. There's a chill. I'm gonna wait for him to stop.
Yeah, good idea.
Happy fall, everyone. Be quiet for just. Is that really annoying? I know. Shush, shush.
Yeah,
Should I put my drink on top?
Yeah.
And most importantly, we're staying at a beautiful. Oh darn it! I don't want to say most importantly.
Oh.
October 31st, because now there's an airplane. You and 11 of your friends, a mumpkin. You do that before October 31st.
Yeah,
It was my fault.
Okay.
That happened. I'm taking full.
That's your. She's just an intern. She's not.